Good afternoon. It is June the 10th, 2016, and we wrap up another trading week here on Friday with the E-mini down. We came in today hoping to sell the 94, 96 area. Early in the session, we lowered that to 91, 93, and it took 89.50 was as good as we could fill. Got involved in a couple of trades early. Scratched them. Market came back in our face. They were 1 to 2 point trades max. Good trade here on a retest failure. This retest failure, if you didn't buy it at the value area in this area down here, there was nothing there for you. The trade we took, we ended up scratching it down here. We thought we might get more, and we were going to get more. We were going to scratch and break even. The market just exploded to the upside and nothing happens. So market corrects, doesn't quite make 50% retracement, comes back up, gets a lower high, start to get sell signals. They get stops beneath that number. Yes, sir. Bring it back in this area. Choppy, and then here we have a move out of the middle. A mom breaks the market, and you can see what's happening right here. You can see right in here that the 50 lot trader liquidated up into this area right here. Liquidation by the 50 lot trader. Add to their length right here on those two bars. They stopped the selling, and right now they're slowly adding to the length. So again, just very, very difficult trading. It takes a long time for the trade to develop, and it takes more patience than I've been able to demonstrate lately to stick with these trades. The ideas are fine. It's just, maybe I should go take a nap. That's the way I could solve that problem. Okay, on the E-mini, lower high, lower low. Market is pointed lower. Could sell it off of this screen on the F2 screen. A couple of distributions down. I did a G split. Perhaps J is more appropriate. Move out. So just clearly structurally right now we'd be trying to sell the 82.50 to 84.50 area right in here. Assuming a close right here, that doesn't get any worse. So sell one. And then our 89 to 91 would be sell two. 80 was the low volume number, and you can see right here that over the last 30 days, and once again my software for some reason decides to switch me to a 30-day take on the market. I have no idea, and neither does Chris, why that happens, but it does. So this 80 area was the low volume area. Got an attractor down at 74.75. So next support's going to be 75. The low volume number beneath that's 69.70. So right now, no news on Monday. Buy one's going to be 75, give or take. Buy two's going to be 70, give or take. So we're going to try to buy 70s to 75s. We're going to try to sell 82s to 85s, and we will see what happens. The market will open, prices will fluctuate, and maybe they'll go our direction, right? Okay, treasuries are strong. Flight to quality. Next week's FOMC meeting. Brexit the week after that. And right now the polls are 55% for exiting the EU. And that would be a good long-term strategic move for England. No doubt about that. Being tied to the rules and regulations of the EU has just got to hurt the English economy long term. Short term, there will be pain involved in that. Okay, this is the 10-year higher low, higher high. Market is pointed higher. Looking at the F2 screen, we did have some retracement today. Pretty significant. Got pretty deep. Probably end of the week profit taking more than anything else. But right here, we bring it back up. So looking at the distribution, all the volumes in the top side. So volume wise, it has more of a P look than a D definitely more than a B look. So this market is poised to trade higher. The trade will be sell failure at 20 to 24. I think we'll be higher in London. Don't know if we can break it out above that, then 27 to 31 for sell 2. On the buy side, the breakout came from that 8-9 level. Lowest rotation down was 9. Kind of retesting this here. Got a K period low at 15.5. We're currently at 18, so 9s to 13s by 1. And by 2, 1 to 5. Unless the E-mini miraculously comes back up, it's just hard to see major selling in treasuries. And if the E-mini does continue to sell and break hard, 17 will be where the buy is. E-mini is breaking hard. We want no part of the short side of this market. And the play is, as it always is, a flight to quality. Risk-off investments. Don't you love that trade? That's a risk-off investment. You know, the 30-year moved 2 points and can sometimes move 3 to 4. That's a risk-off investment, or maybe it's not a. Well, it's an investment, not a trade, right? But definitely, there's enough volatility in the bond to water your eyes. Not as strong a profile on the 30 years as it is on the 10-year, but we are higher. Volume did move higher, and we did close higher. So everything is pointed up right here. Resistance is going to be basically 16 to 20. The high is 30, so 27 to 31, sell 1. Then 7 to 11, sell 2. Things can move up. It looks like we're headed to 170. Been there once before, I believe, if memory serves me correctly. Okay, we're at 17. K period low at 5 and M period low at 9. So 4 to 8 would be 1. So 29 to 01, buy 1. And buy 2, 21 to 25. And again, really do, as long as the E-mini is selling, we do like the long side of the market better. Gold, risk-off investment, finished strong, pointed higher. I don't see any reason not to go to 1300. Probably not on Monday, but I think the market has pointed that. And we had our high up here at 1305, 1307. Higher low, higher high. The market is moving up. 75 is one of those key numbers. If we can stay above that, we got a chance to trade higher. Definitely a P. Volume's all on the top side of the distribution. It did try to break into the weak profit taking, selling, no doubt. So at this low volume number at 85, right now resistance is 79 to 81. So if London, if we can't get through this 79 to, I'm going to sell failure to take out 81. Then 85, 87 will be sell 2. But I do like the long side quite a bit better. 76, 74, buy 1. 70, 72, buy 2. So trying to buy 70s to 75s, can sell failure to take out 80 to 85. But the conditions are right. That little help from the E-mini. This was going to trade. Gold's going to trade higher. Crude oil got hit pretty hard today. Wondered how we got as high as we did get. I mean, the fundamentals say we should be lower, and some we might. Had a lot of selling today, so I think 47 is still the key level. We stay above that, this market can trade higher. Now, I believe the low's in crude oil. But if we get back in the 38 level, 40 level holds, and then I think we're going to move into trading range $45 plus or minus. It's my best guess right now. We'll call it a swag. And okay, the A period extension to the upside did produce a winning trade, did give you direction. New move out of the middle in E period. Pretty clean break in the market in the 35 area. So we're at 2, so 15 to 25, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. I've got this low over here at 48.40. So 48.50, 75 buy 1, 48 and a quarter buy 2. And last but not least, the 6E. The 6E accommodated our prognostication this morning and did so. I like that when that happens. Who wouldn't? Okay, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it on the F1 screen. F2, it was a D pattern TPO wise, but volume was below time, so it's going to be easier to retest the B period low than it was the Z period high, and that's exactly what happened. So 1275, maybe 1250. We had this, they got stops beneath this level 2-letter ledge over there. So 1275 will be the first one, and then 1250 by 2. On the upside, we're at 113 even. So we've got this break at 1310, 1305. So 113 even, 113.10, sell 1. 113.25, 113.25, sell 2. And we'll see if that actually takes place. Hey, I'm kind of tired. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but I'm looking forward to 95-degree temperatures and summer weekends. So that's what I'm getting all excited about. And I hope you all have a great summer weekend, too. It is that time of year. You all have a great evening, and I will see you bright and early Monday morning.